subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched two new 5G enabled phones under X series in China called Realme X7 and X7 Pro. Both of these devices looks identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Realme X7 Pro is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Realme X7 Pro features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset coupled with Mali G77MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage with TurboWrite technology. As per the camera, the Realme X7 Pro supports quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad ray cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. The device comes backed by a 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.8 by 75.1 by 8.5 mm and it weighs around 184 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme X7 Pro has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,199 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Fantasy White, Dark Blue and Sea color options, and it will go on sale starting from September 7th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme X7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.